The Australian mining industry has adopted the Towards Sustainable Mining framework. This framework assists mine companies evaluate, manage and communicate their sustainability performance. The mining industry is increasing its focus on sustainability and decarbonisation. This aligns with the global climate target of achieving a temperature change of 1.5 degrees Celsius, which will result in achieving net zero by 2050. Geosynthetics provide sustainable benefits in mining in a number of ways. Geosynthetics can be used to replace natural materials such as gravels, sands and clay, and geosynthetics help reduce construction-based carbon emissions. Geosynthetics perform many roles that include a barrier function performed by geosynthetic clay liners and geomembranes. Geosynthetics also perform a separation and reinforcement function for strengthening of landforms. Geotextiles perform a filtration function which can be used in drainage applications, and erosion control blankets can be used to prevent soil loss from underlying soils. Geosynthetics are used to replace traditional construction methodologies. This could include replacement of sand, gravels or clays, which can be replaced by geotextiles, geomembranes or geocomposite drains. The benefit of using geosynthetics is that they can be rolled out and don't incorporate as many truck movements. By utilising raw materials to construct barriers or drains, that requires a lot more machine movements, use of more diesel, and a result of that is increased embodied carbon. Geosynthetics can make significant contributions towards the Sustainable Development Goals. Utilising geosynthetics contribute to sustainable development during mine rehabilitation. Geosynthetics can be made of natural occurring materials such as jute, coir and hemp, but also the polymers can be produced from a natural source such as cornstarch. Geofabrics manufacture geosynthetics including recycled content. This promotes a circular economy and reduces waste. By incorporating geosynthetics into mine rehabilitation, ESG and decarbonisation goals can be met. Geosynthetics are thin, light materials that, when compared to traditional construction methodologies, have a lower carbon footprint. As time progresses, life cycle assessments and EPDs are becoming available for geosynthetic materials. We have published a sustainability report which benchmarks the use of water, energy and the production of waste. Our manufacturing facilities have identified Scope 1 and Scope 2 baselines, which have enabled carbon reduction opportunities, including the use of green power and the reduction of waste generation.